Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Alright, my name is Sam. Alright, so in today's video I'll be taking a new look on something that most of you guys has been asking me. Okay, so I just want to share with you how you can make passive income, passive earnings from your holdings, and the crypto staking guide for 2021. Now, if there is a time that you can stake confidently is during bull markets, okay? So bull market is a time that you can stake your crypto, all right? Because we have done that before and we found it profitable. Staking during bear market doesn't make sense, all right? Because you end up losing. But staking during bull market makes a lot of sense, and that is double winning for you. Now, for some of you guys and you understand what staking is all about, there is this article I saw from CoinMarketCap. I can leave the link below. You can see that table of contents on how all the staking. But in a nutshell, you can see that staking is an activity where a user logs or hold his fund in a cryptocurrency wallet to participate in maintaining the operation of proof of stakes based blockchain system. All right. So that is you are holding your crypto for a specific period of time, and within that time you'll be paid passive income, some percentage. Now the question is how safe it is. I think that's the first question. Now, and where are you going to stake? There are requirements, for some of the stakes. Like if you want to stake Ethereum, like it must have up to 32 Ethereum for you to stake. But there are others that doesn't require minimum or maximum staking, like Texas, Algorand, Icon, and stuff like that. Now, there are places you can stake, like exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and thereabout. But I just want to show you one of the best, I think one of the best anyway, wallets you can use for staking. All right. I've tried them and it works perfectly, and I think the percentage is very awesome, and that is the Exodus wallet. Okay, this is the Exodus wallet, and it's one of the best code wallets you can use to store your crypto. The advantage is that this wallet, you have primary access to your primary keys. Okay, you have access to your primary keys to this wallet. So, and it's a good one. They have the mobile version and the desktop version. This is the desktop version of Exodus wallet. I will leave a link below the video in case you want to download the Exodus wallet. You can go ahead and download it. All right, so when you come to after installing the Exodus wallet in your mobile or desktop, you see a lot of icons here. Now click on the reward. Once you click on reward, now it will show you the coins that you can stake and the percentage you earn. All right. So you see that Algorand is the highest so far currently now, based on when I'm taking this video, and that's 6.77% APY. Now Cardano is 4.26% APY. Okay, sorry. Cosmos is the highest so far. 9.53. Okay, 9.53. Wow, this is very good. Okay, we have Neo 1.7. You earn gas and stuff like that. So now there are other things you should. Okay, once you stake Algorand, you are going to get Algorand. You stake Cardano, you're going to get Cardano. You stake Atom, you're going to get Atom. Stake Neo, you're going to get gas. Okay, so there are things you need to watch out for. Ontology is going to get Ontology. I think I staked this one last time. VChain, you're going to get VITS. Oh, all right. So these are the percentages you earn. Now, if you take a look at this percentage, you find out that some of them are attracting, like this, above 4% is always attracting. And you find out that almost all of them, except this VChain, that is not that much. Now, but remember, as I said the first time, before you stake, don't just rush in and start staking. If you stake in the bear market, you end up losing your money. Because, okay, for instance, let's take a look of Algorand. Let's just take a look of this Algorand 6.77. Let's go to Let's go to the chart to see the price of Algorand, what he has done in the past, and what we're expecting. You can see the bull market, okay? So you see the market is just trending, and what are we expecting from here? From the data we have at hand? Well, we can see that we don't know where it started. Nothing starts from up, down. I think this chart is not complete. Okay, this is from Binance, but from other charts, you can see, let me see if I can get all the charts. So we can see from where, you see, Algorand, does it? I'm just looking for the chart that starts from 2000 and Algorand USD. Let's see, Bitress. Okay, was it? This one is even last year. I think I don't know which one has the oldest charts. Okay, the oldest charts of Algorand. Sorry, if you come here, let's check CoinMarketCap and see when this Algorand was launched. Okay, so this is how you check it. That's when it was launched. So we can see actually okay, Algorand. Let's see the chart so we know when actually it was launched. Okay, I think Binance is correct. 2000, and you can see from, okay, Binance is correct. All right, so let's go back to Binance. Binance is correct. All right, so look at this chart now. So currently we see that the market is just trending, but it hasn't broken the all-time high. Okay, and what are we expecting? This is daily, and I just want you to stick to daily and 4 hours if you are staking, so that I know you have a very high, especially for some of these. All right, so this is a daily chart. So the market is just correcting itself. Okay, just correcting itself. And if you go to 4 hours to just see how it's small. Okay, so the market is just correcting itself. Two things that might happen, you know, it might still come down one more, but there's the potential of this market going up. Yeah, all right. So the potential of the market going up. So we see that Algorand is still correcting for the next move. All right. So because of that, we still have a lot of potential for growth. So because of that, we can confidently stake this coin, knowing fully well that as the price advances, our money increases, and also we have passive earning. All right, so it's a win-win for everyone if you stake at the right time. Okay, I remember those days we staked in Dash coin 2017. In fact, it was awesome, but once the market changes direction, you know, it might not really be that profitable. So before you stake, first of all, check the market move. Now the other guy, okay, let's also look at the Texas. Texas, I think, just correcting himself for next move. Yeah, he just corrected for next move. So he just corrected for next move. So it's a good buy. It's a good invest. So instead of you just investing and holding without staking, you know, I think for you to have maximize your winnings, you can stake, and that will be a double profit for you guys. Okay, and you can use Exodus for staking, and it costs nothing. You just apply for it, and that's it. So once you transfer your coin to Exodus, automatically most of this is started staking, and you'll be seeing the, you know, the profits rolling in your wallet. All right, so that's how it goes, guys. So thank you for your time, and if you have not subscribed to this video, kindly subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.